I don't ask the question when I'm presented with their CV. I look at all the things that they've done. I could care less about their business accomplishments. I look what they did their summer in high school. What was it that they kept busy? I look for stories that helped shape or got them involved in the turnaround situation of whatever I'm trying to hire. I'll never forget this one person. He was president of his fraternity. He was a honors student, and he sent me this application. He was looking for a marketing role, and I called him on it. I said, "Dude," I said, did you ever work in high school, or did you ever have anything on the summer, or do you have any?" He said, "I'm not going to put that in there, Jim. My professor said keep it within one page." I said, "Fine, I'm not hiring you. I don't know what you've done. I don't know what your character is. Show me something." So I don't ask the question so much, but I search for something that they've done that's extraordinary and that is in the art of storytelling. Don't forget, people retain stories. I still to this day can remember stories that people tell me on their CVs or their resumes about what they've done. I taught a kids camp. I taught horseback riding, or I was a lifeguard. That to me is what I look for in hiring people, even executives.